Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. The Bell UH-1Y Venom, also known as the Yankee, is a twin-engine, multi-mission utility helicopter operated by the U.S. Marine Corps. Developed as part of the H-1 upgrade program, it is an advanced variant of the legendary UH-1 Huey. Featuring a modern airframe, glass cockpit, and improved avionics. Powered by two General Electric T700GE401C turboshaft engines, the UH-1Y delivers enhanced performance, increased lift capacity, and better hot and high-altitude operations. The Venom can carry up to 8 passengers, along with a crew of 2, and supports missions such as troop transport, close air support, search and rescue, and medical evacuation. Armed with door-mounted M240 or GAU-17A machine guns and capable of carrying rockets or precision-guided munitions, it offers versatile firepower. With advanced communications, night vision compatibility, and robust survivability features, the UH-1Y is a vital asset for marine expeditionary operations. Helocasting is a specialized insertion technique used by U.S. Marine Corps reconnaissance teams, special operations forces, and other elite units to deploy personnel into water from a low-flying helicopter. This method is ideal for covertly inserting small teams into maritime environments without the need for landing zones, making it valuable for amphibious reconnaissance, special operations raids, and humanitarian missions in coastal regions. In a typical helocast operation, the helicopter, such as the UH-1Y Venom, flies at low altitude and slow speed over a designated drop zone, usually a lake, river, or ocean area near the mission site. At the pilot's signal, fully geared Marines step or dive from the open cabin doors into the water, often carrying fins, flotation devices, and waterproofed mission gear. The UH-1Y's agility, stability, and open side door configuration make it well suited for these operations. The U.S. Marines train extensively for helocasting to ensure precision, safety, and mission readiness. Although adept at conducting helocasting operations, the Venom's primary duty is as a utility helicopter supporting ground troops. As part of this mission, it must be armed in order to safely provide this support. Here, you can see a UH-1Y being loaded up with ordnance. Ammunition must be loaded into the weapon before takeoff, while additional ammunition is stored nearby in case of a combat emergency. The rockets are inserted by hand into the pods, which can be triggered from the cockpit once a target has been established. Clearly, the UH-1Y is not one to be judged by its size, as it is more than capable of handling itself in a combat situation. This is a group of U.S. Marines. They are taking part in a weapons and tactics instructor course in the deserts of Arizona. These UH-1Ys will move through the canyons at various altitudes, while the Marines assigned to the guns practice engaging buildings, vehicles, and other dummy targets. This footage helps show just how much of a team effort it is to fire, load, and reload these weapons in the heat of battle. Therefore, these exercises are a great way to get crews used to working together. Despite its formidable weaponry, the Venom is not an actual attack helicopter. But the Bell AH-1Z Viper is. This upgraded version of the Super Cobra, which was first introduced in 2000, is a twin-engine combat aircraft that is 58 feet long and armed to the teeth. The Viper boasts a top speed of 250 miles per hour, allowing it to maneuver in and out of combat as needed while evading enemy weapons fire. It boasts a 20mm rotary cannon in the nose and 6 hardpoints for carrying rockets, missiles, and other projectile weapons. In all, the Viper can carry up to 5,764 pounds of munitions, making it a useful tool for both aerial combat and air-to-ground support. Loading and unloading an attack helicopter like the AH-1Z is a delicate process. The military takes great care to ensure munitions are stored properly at all times. However, it's also important that the Viper and its crew be ready for action when required. This is where live weapons training comes in handy. Though they are far from an everyday occurrence, exercises like these ensure the men and women assigned to these helicopters are ready to do what's needed to protect themselves and their fellow soldiers. And while the Venom and Viper have very different jobs, they all play a role in making sure as many fighting men and women make it home as is logistically possible. The low-profile design improves aerodynamic performance while making the helicopter a smaller visual target for head-on observers than for side-on observers. Another interesting fact is that when the Viper is presented at 0 degrees against a terrain background, the silhouette created by the helicopter is only 27% of the silhouette created when it is presented at 90 degrees. This weird but adept design of the AH-1Z makes it a challenging target to spot, giving the pilots more time to engage the enemy. During the evolution towards the latest AH-1 variant, the helicopter was fitted with 2 General Electric T700 turboshaft engines instead of 1 engine. Additionally, the 2-blade main rotor was replaced with a 4-blade composite rotor, offering a higher climb rate, payload capacity, and low vibration levels. Maintaining a fleet of AH-1Z helicopters with all these advanced features comes with an exacting set of demands. Out of those, pre-flight maintenance plays a crucial role, as it directly affects the airworthiness of the helicopter. Airmen conduct general visual inspections of the main rotors to identify visual signs of damage, as they are more vulnerable than other stationary components. They look for wear and tear on the steel leading edge abrasion strips, trailing edge protection strips, and nickel tip caps that protect the rotors from sand and rain erosion. Keeping the rotor blades clear of dirt can improve aerodynamic efficiency and safety. Additionally, airmen inspect engine inlets, exhausts, and other openings for the ingestion of foreign objects. A thorough pre-flight inspection signals the ideal readiness for a successful takeoff. The ideal combination of all composite rotor blades with powerful engines embellishes the Viper with a whopping climb rate of 2,790 feet per minute. Each General Electric T700 GE401 engine offers 1,800 shaft hose power. The engine has a self-sustaining hover infrared suppression system that reduces exhaust temperature with the help of external cool air. The four-bladed rotor has dumped bearings, hinges, and vibration dampers, allowing it to operate smoothly and deliver more power. The helicopter can take off with a maximum takeoff weight of 18,500 pounds. The ability to take off with a higher payload offers room to accommodate a wide array of weapons. A total of 6 weapon stations, including 4 hardpoints at stub wings and 2 wingtip pylons, host both close-range and standoff-range weapons. The AGM-114 Hellfire missile system, which is laser-guided to strike armored and reinforced targets, is the mainstay weapon of the Viper. In the end, the UH-1Y Venom and AH-1Z Viper together form a formidable partnership within the U.S. Marine Corps aviation arsenal. The Venom delivers unmatched versatility, seamlessly transitioning between troop transport, close air support, medevac, and specialized missions like helocasting, all while remaining agile and reliable in demanding environments. The Viper, on the other hand, is a purpose-built attack platform, leveraging its speed, advanced avionics, and devastating array of weaponry to dominate both air-to-ground and air-to-air engagements. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.